Punch. Rum Punch is a cocktail made with rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, and grenadine syrup. These ingredients are usually the basic of a rum punch. To start, put ice on the glass. $50 ml white rum, $50 ml orange juice, $50 ml pineapple juice, 5 ml or dash of grenadine. Here. Make a garnish. And here you have it, the rum punch. Okay, rum punch, if you want to make in your house, that is basic ingredients. Rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, and grenadine syrup. That's only the basic. But if you want to put some more juice, like mango, peach snap, or everything, you can make it. You can do it. So this one is alcoholic punch. So if you want to make a non-alcoholic, just remove the rum. So that is the basic also of a non-alcoholic punch is orange, pineapple, and grenadine. So that is the basic. Enjoy your rum punch.